How to change your age on TikTok. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to change your age on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. Open TikTok on your device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom. Your TikTok profile will open up. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. A menu will appear. Select Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Account. Select Account Information. Over here, you will find the date of birth option. If you don't see it, don't worry. Stick around till the end of this video as I have got a solution for that as well. For now, let's focus on changing the birthday using this built-in feature. Simply tap on it, then tap on birth date. A drop-down menu will appear. Ensure you select your actual birth date. Don't worry, TikTok keeps this information private and does not share it publicly. For example, I will set it to Jan 5, 2007. Finally, tap the Save button. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if the entered birth date is correct or not. Please keep in mind that you may not be able to change it later. So make sure you have selected your correct birth date. If you are sure about that, tap Confirm and boom! You have successfully changed your age on TikTok. As you can see, I have changed my birth year from 2004 to 2007. Now, let's go through the steps to change your age if the built-in date of birth feature is not available to you. The very first step is to check if your TikTok app is up to date or not. For that, close TikTok, open Play Store on Android or App Store on iOS. Tap on the search icon at the bottom, then tap on the search bar. Now, type in TikTok and search for it. If you see the update button, tap it to update the app. I'm currently using an updated version, so there's an open button for me. Once you update your TikTok app, come back to your home screen and reopen TikTok. Now, follow the same steps as shown earlier to check if the date of birth feature is now available or not. Tap Profile, then tap Hamburger icon. Select Settings and Privacy, tap Account, then tap Account Information. Now confirm whether the date of birth feature is visible or not. If it's available, simply follow the steps shown earlier to update your age. If the feature is not visible, proceed to the second step, and that is reporting the issue to TikTok. To do this, start by taking a screenshot of the account information page. Then tap the back arrow twice to return to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the end. Then select Report a Problem under the Support and About section. Open up Account and Profile drop-down by tapping on it. From the drop-down, select Editing Profile. Now choose the other option, then tap Need More Help. Once you are on this page, you will need to create a support ticket. Over here, write the following message. I have also provided it in the description, so you can copy and paste it over here. Hello TikTok team. I am unable to update my age on my TikTok account. I don't have the date of birth feature inbuilt on my TikTok app. This has been an annoying issue for me. I can provide my ID as proof of my real age. Could you please help me update my age? Thank you. Once written, tap the image option. Now attach the screenshot you took earlier. Single tap on the circle available at the top right to select the image. Then tap OK. Finally, tap the submit button and boom, you have successfully reported your issue to TikTok. But here is an important note. TikTok typically responds within 2 days to a week with a follow-up message. They might request an ID as proof of your real age. However, keep in mind that success is not guaranteed. TikTok handles a large volume of tickets and may not respond to every request, so stay patient and hopeful. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to change your age on TikTok, whether the option is available or not. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.